this is Jill with Kiss Books. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a new design. After you've logged in, click Create New. Then simply name the design. Once you have that, click Next. Here you have two options, create a new design or upload pre-designed spreads. This video, we'll click New Design. On the next screen, you'll select what type of design you would like it to be. The first option is Manual Design. This option allows the photographer to manually design their album. It gives them full control of building that story. The next option is Auto Build. This option is great for portrait shots or albums that don't have a strong story. Our KISS designer will auto build the spreads, allowing the photographer to make changes at the end. Our last option is Design for Me. This option allows photographers and their clients to work with one of our KISS designers in building their album. After you have chosen what type of design you would like it to be, the next step is to adjust your border and background settings. After you have done that, select your image source. For this video, I'm going to select hard drive as my image source. A window will pop up with upload instructions. From here, press Select Images. Locate the folder your images are in and open it. From there, select all the images you would like uploaded into your designer. Once you press Open, your images will begin uploading. After all your images have uploaded, press Continue. A new window will pop up, letting you know that your design is ready to load. Select Load Design. Once your designer has fully loaded, this is what you will see. In the upper left-hand corner, you will see your design name. At any point, if you would like to rename it, press Rename, type in the new title, and press Return to save. Below this, you will see your image bank. These are all the images that you have previously selected to be uploaded. If you would like to add more images, hover over this bar and select Add Images. Repeat the same steps as before to import new images. You can sort your image bank by file name or date. You can change the view settings by viewing all images uploaded, view only the unused images, or view only the used images. When you first open your design, it will show you the cover of your album. On the left-hand side, you can select whether you'd like it to be leather or linen, then toggle on what color you would like it to be. Below the colors, we have an option to add a cameo. If you would like a cameo, toggle Cameo on and drag an image from the image bank into your yellow box. From here, you can use the zoom tool to correctly scale your image. If you would like text on your cover, toggle on Customize. Select whether you would like engraving or debossing, then select if you would like to use simple text or upload a custom file. Input the text that you would like to see on your cover. Once you have done that, you can adjust the font, position of the text, and font size with how you would like it to be. Once you are ready to add spreads, select Next or simply press the right arrow button on your keyboard. Here, you can adjust your front inside cover options. You can select if you would like the inside cover to be black or white. This controls both the front and back inside cover. You can also select if you would like front logo debossing on or off. After you have done that, click Next. Now it's time to start designing your spreads. If you would like to use a spread template, toggle on Template. Simply drag an image down to the spread. On the bottom of your designer, you'll see a variety of templates. Here, you can adjust how many frames you would like on your template. Once you are happy with your design, click the plus sign to add a new spread. For this spread, I'm going to choose a template before adding my images. Now, I'm going to fill in that template. If you'd like to switch images, simply drag and drop one image over the other. When you hover over an image, you'll notice a box pops up. This box allows you to make further adjustments to your image. The first icon allows you to change the border size for that individual image. Then we have the option to delete the image, convert it to black and white, or flip the image horizontally. We can also use the slider bar to zoom in and out and change the image scale. Some other icons to note are on your toolbar. The sprocket allows you to change your design settings. The next one allows you to see the overall view of your spreads. You can add a spread, delete the spread you're on, copy the spread, quickly navigate back and forth through the album, flip your layout, add text to your spread, select a background for your images, add your logo, or revert to an older version of your design. If you would like to leave a comment on a spread, you can do so here. Once you are finished working on your design, you can close out at any time as our designer auto-saves your work. Once you close out, you will notice that your design has now been added under My Designs. Underneath the thumbnail, you'll see the design's name, the status, slideshow views and slideshow link, and the date it was created. When you hover over the design, you will see 6 icons. The folder icon will open your design actions. Here, you can edit your design, save it as a template, duplicate it, export the spreads as high-res JPEGs, archive the design, or delete it. Next, we have the slideshow settings. Here, you can enable or disable your slideshow, set passwords for your customers, allow your customers to have cover color selection, auto-repeat the slideshow, the length of seconds per slideshow, add music, add additional links, enable auto-refresh for your slideshows, and select if you would like your slideshows to auto-refresh. After that, we have slideshow sharing. Here, you can send the slideshow to your clients, view the slideshow link, post it to SmugMug, or copy the embedded code. Then we have the client contact settings. Here, you can add your client's name and email, and adjust if you would like your clients to see pricing on the slideshow or not. After that, you can click on the info icon, and a window will pop up showing additional information about your design. Once you are ready to place your album order, you can hover over the cart icon to add this design to your cart. When you add it to your cart, you can view the overall options for your album. Now is a great time to double check that all your details are correct. This is where you can choose your final details for your album. Select if you would like it to be leather or linen, what color you would like your inside cover color to be, paper type, spread thickness, the color of your cover, and view a preview of your album cover. Then at the bottom, you can input how many albums you would like to order for this design. You'll notice that there is a column for client copies and a client for studio samples. Input the quantity that you would like, making sure that you are matching it up with the correct size of the album you would like. After you enter your quantity, you will notice that the cart is starting to prepare your design. This may take a few minutes until it is completed. Once it is completed, click Add to Cart. A window will pop up for you to do one last inspection and approval of your design. You'll be able to see the fold lines, the area of the image that is cut off, and our cut lines. Be sure to double check your spread sequence, image color, spelling, dates, and trim area where the fold hits. After you have reviewed your design, you can go back and make changes or approve it and add it to your cart. Next, you can choose the packaging for your album. Simply add a dust cover, box, or gift wrap to your album. After you have chosen your packaging, press Add to Cart. Then you have the option to go back and add more to your cart or proceed to checkout. Next, you will be prompted to add your shipping address and payment method, and then the final steps to review your order. Next, you will see the final checkout screen. Here, you can review everything about your order. Here, you can edit the shipping address, adjust the handling or shipping method, and how you would like to pay for this order. Here, you can see your store credit balance and add the amount you would like to use. Be sure to press apply after you input the amount. Scroll down and do one last check on your album details. If you would like to leave a note for our production team, you can do so here. If you have any promo codes, you can apply them here. After that, you can see the pricing breakdown. Select this box if you would like email updates on your order. After you reviewed everything and it's good to go, press place order and your order will go straight into production. As always, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out.